Hey everyone, good morning. Ashley Ellison here, Regional Sales Manager with Tie Down, and we got Ben Aaron, the National Sales Manager.
Morning.
Today we will be introducing the TranzCart, and we will be doing these type of product launches going forward. The official launch date is today, so the TranzCart should be in stock hopefully the end of this week or next week. We'll be able to start shipping it. Two things before we start, go ahead and mute your phones please, and hide your screen, which should be in the top right-hand corner. I think you can just kind of hide your screen so you're not showing on here. All right, so we will be overviewing the TranzCart. We'll have a PowerPoint for you and a video. And at the end, just contact me with any questions. You can call me or email me. And here's Ben to go ahead and start.
Good morning again. Hope you all had a good holiday weekend. We're going to go ahead and start. Ashley and I, as we introduced ourselves, will be introducing the TranzCart. We're going to go through a quick PowerPoint and then also a video that's on the TranzCart. Who is Tie Down? I think most of you all know that we were established 50 years ago in 1969. We have over 70 patents. We have 6 divisions right now, and our products are everywhere from the sea floor to outer space. We're at 700,000 square feet. We're vertically integrated. We are ISO 2015 certified, and we do have an array of Fortune 500 customers. This year, we've had some significant increases in sales. Our overall business is up 20%. Our safety division, fall protection's up over 35%. Our guardrails are up over 250%. Anchor points over 400%, and our fall rest carts are over 70%. And we appreciate your efforts to help this happen this year. We're looking for an exciting 2020. The TranzCart is really designed for mobile transportation of guardrails. When you're up on the roof deck, it makes it easier to handle and maneuver safely. It's adaptable to our existing roof zone cart, and it is cost effective. Here's the 65049 Guardrail TranzCart. It will be a complete kit. The complete kit will actually be broken down or knocked down in a box, so it'll ship as a Class 50, so it'll be very easy to ship in and out. It is 500-pound rated flat-free tires, all 4 of them, and it does come with 2 tread-bright plates that you can use as a decking. Has hoisting rings on the corners for raising. And it also includes the 2 yellow brackets you see there for hanging the rails. The emergency T-bar brake, as you see there, is your brake. And we are using the TS22 high visibility yellow paint. And again, the kit comes unassembled. You can also use this in conjunction with the penetrator at the same time. We will also introduce and offer the same kit as a conversion kit. So if they already have a cart, the roof zone cart 65028, they'll be able to retrofit that, and that kit will include just the brackets and all the hardware necessary to attach it. It will not include the tread bright, but that can be ordered as an accessory if it's needed. And again, TS22 high visibility yellow paint. And that part number is 70834, and that's the kit for conversion. To give you some idea on pricing, the 65049, the complete, will be $1,400 distributor price. The 70834 revision kit for your cart will be $399. We believe that to be very competitive with what we're seeing out there. The Blue Water is running around $2,500. And Key has a cart for $1,675, much smaller cart, doesn't hold as many rails. And what I'll do next is let me run a video real quick. Oh, I might have missed a slide. Nope, that's it. Let me run a video real quick. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll try to unmute you as soon as this is over. And let me know if any of y'all have any questions regarding the TranzCart. Try to see if y'all want to turn your phones back on. You're all unmuted right now.
Hey, Ben, this is Darren. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So with the picking eyes, can that cart be lifted with the guardrails on there, or is it designed to be picked without?
Needs to be raised without the rails on there, mainly because the balance, the rails hanging from up top, they're not secured. So you'd want to raise the cart separate from the rails and lift the rails using the stack pallet.
Got it. Thanks.
You have anybody asking for carts, or have you heard any feedback in the past? Darren?
Not specifically, but I think it could be interesting with some of the people we've been selling the guardrails to show it to them and get some feedback.
Right.
I think it's a good idea.
Anybody else have any other questions or comments?
Hey, Ben, did you discuss how many rails go on it?
That's a good point. 11 rails, 12 bases. As you saw in the video, it will do stack pallet, 11 rails, 12 bases, both 10-foot and 7.5-foot rails. It's roughly about 110 linear feet. Anybody else have any quick questions? I see a bunch of you here signed on, but everybody's quiet this morning. I guess it's a long weekend. Everybody's a little tired, but if you think of any questions, feel free to call Ashley or myself, and we'll be happy to assist.